Hello all, welcome to the next video in Linux command line tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about file command. In the previous videos, we have seen how to create files using touch command. In this video, we are going to use file command to display the type of file. In Linux, it is helpful to find out the type of file you have never seen before or the file that does not have a file extension. We know that in Linux, files are not needed to have any extensions. You can just name file with anything. So we use file command to check the file type. The basic syntax of file is just type file, which is the command name. Argument is the file name that we have to check the file type for. So let's say first let us see the contents of downloads directory. These are the contents of download directory. So let's see the file type of sample submission.com dot text. So file sample submission dot. You can see that it is ASCII text. You can also see, let's say, this file computer programming, which is PDF document here. Now you can use the regular expressions to make file command more powerful. So let's just say we need the file types of everything in this current directory. What we just need to do is file and then giving the path to current directory and then using regular expression star, which says everything. It shows the file types of everything in this directory. Sometimes we don't need this long data about the file type, so we can just use B option, which gives a brief data about it. Let's just a brief description of sample submission. It says that it is ASCII text. Let us also see some other examples using file command. So let's go to the root directory. Since root directory contains many interesting files, let us see the contents. Let's say we want to see the contents of etc directory, and the file names should all be starting with a p. Type file and then path to the things we have to see, etc, and then p starting with p, and then can end with anything. So like star, which is a regular expression. It shows the files in etc directory which are starting with p. See, you can see that everything here starts with p. You can now guess how powerful regular expressions are. Let's say we have to see any file in etc directory which is ending with a number. So star and then with a number range, which is 0 to 9. You can see that these are the files which are ending with a number. You can also see files which are starting with a number. etc / 0 to 9 regular expressions, and then star, which says any number of characters. It says that there is no such file or directory. There are no files in etc directory which are starting with a number. Another interesting directory in root command is var directory, which contains logs. So let's see all files in var directory which starts with L. So var starts with L and ends with anything. These are the these are the contents of var which starts with L. In this way, we can use file command, check the type of files, and we can use regular expressions to make file command more powerful. There are some directories or files in Linux which are compressed. The file command shows the compressed type of that compressed file. If you want to see what's in the compressed file, we have to use a special option called Z option. So let us first see a compressed file, how a compressed file shows. These are the compressed files .deb, .eio, .gz. Now, without using any options, let us check the type of compressed files. It shows that it is gzip compressed data. Let's say we want to see what's inside this compressed file. We can do we can add an option which is z, which says that this we have to see inside this compressed file. It shows what's inside this compressed file, which is ASCII texts with very long lines. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe.